So guys, welcome back, and this week we are in LHS and RHS. So we'll solve the formulas. If you see my live videos, I've done some trigonometry questions and all. Okay, not in this week I'll be doing algebraic formulas, okay, proving LHS and right hand side. Okay, so let's directly jump into the question solving. Our question is a plus b whole square is LHS and right RHS is a square plus b 2ab plus b square. Okay, so first we'll do solve LHS. Okay, so let a plus b square, a plus b into a plus b. So a into a square, a into b, ab. Similarly, b into a, ba, b into b square. A square, ab plus ba is 2ab and then b square. So our LHS is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and our RHS is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is moderate question type of answer. I will go to the next question. We will go to the next question where it is we have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Okay, so what is that? A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. In case of plus, it will be plus 2ab. In case of minus, it will be minus 2ab. And we have to keep both in bracket. So what is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now minus, this is plus sign, okay? Minus into plus, minus a square. Again this one, minus into plus, minus b square. Minus plus, plus 2ab. So what is that? This one goes minus a square plus a square plus b square minus b square. So plus 2ab and plus 2ab is equal to 4ab. So LHS is 4ab and RHS is 4ab. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is 2 marks question in exam. So I was just telling, okay, when I was doing what is this minus. So anything, okay, so anything plus over there, it starts with a plus. If it is not given anything, suppose a, it is by default plus. So minus, so we'll learn the formula. Plus into plus is equal to plus into minus equal to minus into minus is equal to plus, okay, and minus into plus equal to minus. So these are formulas, this plus minus formulas we need to remember every time. This is basic. When we start learning and using, it will be very common. Okay, so these are the things, small questions have built up. You will come to see a lot of algebraic formulas in the coming session. Thank you.